Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the new It Cosmetics Matte CC Cream. Looks like this, comes in this little box. And yeah, we're going to do a kind of review slash first impressions and wear test. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so first off, this is sold on itcosmetics.com or you can get it at Sephora. As far as I know, they are not selling it on Ulta yet, which sucks because I love Ulta, but those are the places you can get it, and it does retail for $38, so it's the exact same price as their original CC cream. Now, you guys know that I really like this. It's got great coverage, and you know, it's definitely like a medium coverage. It's not full, but it's just enough coverage to look put together, and it's just simple to use, and it's very lightweight. It doesn't feel cakey or anything like that. So I am a little bit worried to try this out just because it is matte, and sometimes matte finishes have like a cakey feel, so I'm really hoping it doesn't have that kind of finish. But I got mine in the shade light medium. Now it does look a little dark, but I think it'll work. I think it'll be fine. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start applying this. So now what's cool about this is the original one claims to be color correcting, while this one claims to be poreless finish. So if you have big pores and you're oily, this is going to be great for you. So hopefully it does do that. So I'm just going to pump this out. I don't know how much I need. I usually use 2 pumps of the regular one, but I did 3 just in case. By the way, I did buy this shade online. The original shade that I have is in light, and this is a pretty good match, and the one I got in this one was like medium. I don't think they had a light, or it looked really weird. So this one is definitely like more neutral, but that's okay. I think we can make this work. Alright, so I have applied my moisturizer and everything. This right off the bat does feel a little bit thicker, actually, like quite a bit thicker. So hopefully it is maybe more full coverage. That would be awesome. It's got like a thick consistency, but it's also like lightweight at the same time, if that makes any sense. Okay, so just gonna start buffing this in. Okay, so far this is blending in just as well as the original does. I am not having any issues with it. It's just sinking right into the skin. Looks really nice. It still, I think, maybe has like that slightly dewy finish like the original one does. But I think as time is passing, it's starting to get like a little bit more of a soft matte. Okay, so far I think that blended out beautifully. I think the finish looks really nice. It still, in my opinion, looks dewy, maybe just not as dewy as the original. It's got kind of a soft, very soft matte look to it, but it's I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it still has like that dewy glow shine to it, and it looks really healthy. So far I'm kind of thinking like, can this really be classified as a matte, because the way it looks, like the finish is not very matte. So I'm going to finish up the rest of my face. I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to use the Flower Beauty concealer and just set my under eyes and set the rest of my face with some setting powder, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I finished the rest of my face. I just did super light makeup today. I have school to go to today and a couple errands to run, so I have got to get ready for school. I gotta go, you guys, but so far the finish looks great. It definitely is matte once I set everything, and yeah, it's looking good. Coverage is about the same as the original, and yeah, I will come back and check in with you guys in a few hours. Hey guys, so I am back from class. I totally forgot to tell you guys what time it was before, but it was about like 9:50 or so, so we'll say 10 o'clock. And now it is 2:32, so it's been about 4 hours. I'm gonna grab my mirror real quick, and let's take a close up. Okie dokie, I think this is looking real good so far, actually. Yeah, actually that's looking pretty darn good, because usually with the original It Cosmetics CC cream I get a little bit more oily at like lunchtime. During this time, definitely. So it's actually still looking pretty matte up on my forehead and, you know, everywhere in the T-zone area. So super impressed with that. I think everything looks good so far, so that is awesome. And yeah, I think it's staying matte like pretty well. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this midday check-in. I will come back and check in with you guys probably one more time. I'll try to make it like around, I guess like 9 o'clock. We'll say 9 o'clock. That way it's about like 12 hours away. So I will see you guys in my next check-in. Hey guys, so it is my last check-in now. It is the end of the day. It is about 9:20. So yeah, pretty much about 12 hours of wear, which is absolutely amazing for this foundation. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm getting like slightly oily on my forehead, but nothing major. I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up, so don't get scared. So yeah, I think it's holding up like pretty well. Like really nothing major. Like I think it still looks pretty fantastic for 12 hours. So I absolutely rate this 5 out of 5 stars. Like 10 out of 10 I recommend to you guys. If you have an oily skin type like me, I really recommend this. I think the coverage is great. Maybe just slightly more than the original, but about the same. But it still has that lightweight feel to it, and it feels really comfortable on the skin. And I just love It Cosmetics CC creams. Like I think they're really nice, and I love that they provide SPF, and it's just lightweight. It doesn't feel thick and cakey on your skin, you know. So overall, I really recommend this foundation. If you do have the same skin type as me, I think you will really love it. Honestly, I think even if you had like normal skin as well, I think you'd like this too, because it's not like a overly drying matte. It doesn't even really feel matte. So I think that normal skin types would like this as well. So yeah, I absolutely love this foundation, and it performed amazing. I mean, 12 hours, you guys, come on. Come on, you can't beat that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful and informational. If you did like it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!